Welcome back to the channel, it's Christy, and today we are unboxing the all-new Gen 2 Elite Foreman. Stick around. While I waited for the rest of the delivery to arrive that day, I went ahead and started cutting down my slats for my wasteboard. I am using a QCW table and stand this time around, and for that you want 3 slats at 8 3/4 and 2 slats at 9 7/8. They do secure from beneath, and we will see that later in the video. All right, let's get to the unboxing. And I'll tell you what, having an extra set of hands helps speed up the process tremendously, and so does having a metric hex bit set to use with a drill. Trust me. To have our QCW stand fully assembled took us about 30 minutes, plus a little extra time for removing all of the protective packaging you see here. Here are a few tips. First, if you're having a hard time threading the bolts, look on the side of the T-track for a visual of the thread. Second, if you wanted to, you could flip the table over and install your MDF slats now. Lastly, remember to splay the legs outward for the QCW stand as you install those. For full setup instructions, refer to the official setup video here on the channel. With the Foreman QCW stand in place, it's time to start unboxing the CNC rails. These are packaged extremely well with custom styrofoam inserts and whatever these form-fitting pillow thingies are. And if you didn't know, Onefinity runs a test job on every machine before it gets shipped out, so that's pretty cool. After it's out of the box, it's just a matter of cutting through some packing tape to remove the styrofoam and standing the rail upright. I'm upgrading from a Buildbotics Gen 1 machine, so this was really cool to see the new 60mm rails, the new ball screw covers, and even the drag chain was cool too. We opened up the remaining boxes, which also included some optional accessories so that we could inventory everything before getting started on setup. And honestly, the unpacking and the unboxing takes longer than the actual setup of the CNC itself. Let me give you a closer look at what I ordered and what my setup will be like. So this is my brand new Gen 2 Elite Foreman from Onefinity CNC, and this is my order. We've got all 3 rails sitting out here. We've got the all new beefy Z20 slider, and that's because I chose the 80mm spindle, which runs on 110. This kit comes with everything you need to safely and effectively use the spindle. Although it looks like a lot, everything is really well labeled, and the Spindle Kit manual is available online at redlinecnc.com/manuals, or follow along with a step-by-step guide from Stone in the official setup video. I added on a couple cool accessories like the wireless joypad, the EZZ tool setter, a couple of bit sets, and the touch probe. I'm personally excited to try out the Redline controller, and we are about to get all of this set up, so keep watching. Getting all these cables together. Oh yeah. Super easy. The time has finally come. We are going to get this machine fired up. Okay, let's see what she does. Very slick. Okay, it's initializing. Just like that. Just ready to go. So I am so excited to learn more about this machine. I'm going to share it all with you as I go, and we've got lots of projects coming up, so stay tuned for more.